Hello, I'm Nikki. Welcome to Off Grid Style. Let's get started.
Hydrogen peroxide, which is a versatile compound composed of hydrogen and oxygen, is not only a staple in household cleaning and personal care, but can also be a valuable resource for survival situations. We are going to look at 10 practical uses of hydrogen peroxide, ranging from disinfection and wound care to survival essentials that can help in emergency preparedness and resilience. Disinfecting water. In survival situations where access to clean water is limited, hydrogen peroxide can be used as an emergency water disinfectant. Add a few drops of hydrogen peroxide to untreated water to kill bacteria and pathogens, making it somewhat safer for drinking. Allow the hydrogen peroxide to dissipate before you consume the treated water. Emergency wound care. Hydrogen peroxide serves as a crucial antiseptic for treating wounds and injuries in survival scenarios. Apply hydrogen peroxide directly to cuts, scrapes, and abrasions to disinfect the area and to prevent infection. Rinse the wound with clean water after you apply the hydrogen peroxide to remove any debris. Fire starting aid. Hydrogen peroxide can be used as a fire-starting aid in emergency situations. Soak a cotton ball or tinder in hydrogen peroxide to increase its flammability, making it easier to ignite with just a spark or a flame. Use caution when handling and lighting the treated tinder to avoid injury. An emergency signal. In survival situations, hydrogen peroxide can be used as a signaling device to attract attention or communicate distress. Mix hydrogen peroxide with a fluorescent dye or brightly colored substance and spray it onto a surface to create a visible signal that can be seen from a distance. Improvised disinfectant. In the absence of commercial disinfectants, hydrogen peroxide can be used as an improvised disinfectant for surfaces, equipment, and wounds. Dilute the hydrogen peroxide with water in a spray bottle and use it to sanitize tools, utensils, and surfaces to prevent the spread of germs and pathogens. Oral hygiene. Maintaining oral hygiene is crucial, especially in survival situations where access to dental care may be limited. Use hydrogen peroxide as a mouthwash or an oral rinse to kill bacteria, freshen breath, and promote oral health. Swish a diluted solution of hydrogen peroxide in your mouth for about 30 seconds to 1 minute before spitting it out. Foot care. Hydrogen peroxide can be used to treat foot-related ailments and injuries in survival scenarios. Soak your feet in a solution of hydrogen peroxide and water to disinfect cuts, blisters, and fungal infections. This simple foot soak can help prevent infection and promote healing, particularly in challenging environments. Disinfecting tools and equipment. In survival situations where cleanliness is essential for health and safety, hydrogen peroxide can be used to disinfect tools, equipment, and surfaces. Wipe down knives, utensils, and camping gear with a diluted solution of hydrogen peroxide to kill germs and bacteria and prevent cross-contamination. Emergency plant care. Hydrogen peroxide can be used to promote plant health and prevent disease in survival gardens or indoor plantings. Add a small amount of hydrogen peroxide to water and use it to water plants or mist foliage to control pests, discourage mold growth, and improve soil oxygenation. Decontamination. In hazardous environments or emergency situations that involve chemical spills or biological contaminants, hydrogen peroxide can be used as a decontamination agent. Dilute hydrogen peroxide with water and use it to wash skin, clothing, and even equipment to remove harmful substances and reduce the risk of exposure. All right, let me know in the comments about any other uses you have for hydrogen peroxide, and don't forget to like the video.